Meanwhile, the Department of Trade and Industry is strictly monitoring stores that sell substandard Christmas lights. Again, here's Ria Fernandez.
Of Christmas, the Department of Trade and Industry strongly enforces laws against sellers of substandard Christmas lights. According to DTI Secretary Gregory Domingo, they're working hand in hand with the Bureau of Customs on the strict implementation of monitoring of Christmas lights.
Yung customs nag-iigpit ngayon, so marami na silang natitigil at point of entry. Pero yung mga nakakalusot, yun ang inuhuli namin.
The number of destroyed Christmas lights significantly increased this year compared with the 1,491 sets of uncertified and substandard Christmas lights in 2013, amounting to over 93,000 pesos. On Tuesday morning, DTI destroyed more than 8,000 sets worth above 1 million pesos at their parking lot. The agency confiscated this within the month of November only. Some of the brands DTI identified as uncertified and substandard were North Star, ET, Fuji Bright, Mabuhay State, Lucky Deer Ako, Multifunction, 7 Star, Crowin Red Juego de Luces, Lightmaster Hawaii, and Yuletide Fantasy. Secretary Domingo reminds consumers to assess first the Christmas lights on sale before buying them. Defective Christmas lights are usually sold at a cheaper price and their wires can be easily cut.
Pag pinutol mo, una mabilis maputol, tapos tignan mo kung halos walang wire sa loob. Pag nilagyan mo yan ng kuryente at madaming nakakabit na Christmas lights, malamang iinit na to. At pag uminit yan, pwedeng matunaw yung kanyang cover at pwedeng masunog. Then pati yung kinakapitan niya pwedeng masunog.
The buyer can also look at the Import Commodity Clearance or ICC sticker at the package to check whether it is fake.
Dapat check mo. Una yung ICC sticker nga. Kung yun, may sarili siya sticker, hindi naka-preprint doon sa package. Tapos yung sticker may hologram. Mahirap kopyahin.
DTI plans to conduct inspection again in December. You may report suspected defective Christmas lights by reaching DTI through their hotline number. For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.